Hello, y'all. Today I'm accompanied by my girlfriend.
Hello.
And today we're going to be looking at some alarms we unboxed. Starting with this. Well, this is not the right one. This is the one I wanted to show y'all. This is a KN-COB-IC that was made on 2025, February 21st, which is two days before my girlfriend's 16th birthday.
That's correct.
And what battery does it have in it? A Duracell. Alright, let's give it a test. Takes a minute. This thing takes a little bit. There it is. Up next is the 20 SAR. This was made 2025, August 21st. Up next, let's do the Kidde 20 SD10. This was made exactly 20 days before the 20 SAR, 2025, August 1st. And finally, the Kidde 30 CDR. Now this was made on... No way! 2024, February 23rd. That was my girlfriend's 15th birthday. No way! Yes! 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 We're sorry. J&A is currently experiencing technical difficulties right now. Please stand by while we address and correct the situation accordingly. Thank you for understanding. Alright, sorry about that. That completely derailed the video. So anyways, let's give it a test. I kind of wish this was the 3CDR-V. Oh yeah, and something I noticed. This is a first generation model. This is a second gen. The difference between this and that is that this one has open vents, and this one has closed vents. Oh yeah, here's my other KN-COB. Wait, here's my other KN-COB-IC. This one was made 2024, April 26th. You might remember this from an older video from last year. And this has a... Oh, come on! We can't even go one collaborative ever without Energizer batteries. Disgusting! Disgusting! Let's give it a test. This one's a little bit higher pitched than the other one. Alright. Let this finish up. Might as well do the dying sounds real quick. Alright. Hope you all like this video with my girlfriend.
Bye.
Go subscribe to our channel. I will see y'all soon. See ya.